Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. So today we'll be shooting a party get ready with me. I have already applied the primer and the orange corrector. So moving on, I'm just applying the Age Rewind concealer in Neutralizer and I'm just blending all of that out. So moving on, we're gonna apply some foundation, and this is a new foundation that I recently bought which is extremely thick in consistency. It's from Becca Cosmetics and I will leave all of the details in the description box below. I have to put in some serum, facial oil, moisturizer just to make it more blendable and so that it looks more natural, because this is mainly for oily and acne prone skin and my skin is extremely dry, so I had to hydrate it well in advance just to make sure it doesn't look very patchy. Next, I'm just applying some banana powder to set my concealer in place. So this is literally the most beautiful palette that I own and I've been trying forever to get my hands on this, and now that I finally have it, I wanted to try it and I hadn't even swatched it on my hand. I just put it to use, for the video. So I'm just using a light purple shade from that palette and I'm applying it all over the crease. All over the lid. Taking this reddish pink shade, I'm applying it to my crease, using it like a transitional color just to soften out the edges of the purple and to make it look more seamless. Next, we're going to apply a darker purple and concentrate mainly close to your lashes and maybe say 3/4 of your lid. Don't go beyond the first purple that we applied. Repeating the same steps, literally the same steps, just with a smaller, denser brush and with the darkest purple possible. Next, we're applying a little bit of black eyeshadow just to give that smoky eye look. Blending, blending, and more blending. Using a dark purple and a black eyeshadow, I'm just applying it to my lower lash line, smoking it out as well. Next, moving on to my face, I'm just gonna bronze my face, give it some shape and definition, contour it, just to make it look, more natural and not so pale and white. So no matter what I apply to my face, I always use my beauty blender to dab and blend all of that in. Now, this is an optional step and I rarely contour my nose, but since I was in the mood to do it, I did it anyway. So I'm just contouring my nose, and then next I'm just going to blend it out with a soft brush, clean brush. More importantly, soft clean brush. Next, I'm going to be using two eye pencils, one in nude and the other is, my usual black kajal. So this apparently makes your eyes look a little bigger. So this is what I've tried and tested, and well, yes, it did work. Next, I'm going to flush those cheeks out, and I'm using a very natural looking blush, which is from Tarte and is currently my favorite blush. I have put a lot of new products to test, and this is one of the most favorite things that I do, highlighting my face. I love it. You guys know that I love highlighting and buying a lot of highlighters, and I always wanted to buy an Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. There we go, I bought it and I am pleasantly surprised. I love it. Next, we're going to spray some MAC Prep and Prime all over the face and allow it to sit for about 10 to 15 seconds. It melts all your products into your skin like a dream. Finally have my hands on a Huda Beauty Lip Contour Kit, and this is in the shade Famous and Vixen, and oh my god, the matte lipstick doesn't dry my lip out. It moisturizes my lip in a very weird way because all matte lipsticks are drying out, but this particular one is so good. So good. Doesn't dry out and feels like a velvety matte. So we're also hosting a 5K subscriber giveaway on Instagram. Do participate, guys. We love you. So this is the completed look, guys. I hope you liked watching it. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye. Mwah.